from overnight. One person is hospitalized after a fire in Walworth County.
Let's get to Melinda. She is following this developing story for us from the Breaking News Desk. Melinda.
Well, Marianne and Tama, the good news, we're told the victim is expected to survive. Emergency crews were called to a home in the town of Darien around 12:30 this morning. This was a scene near Wisconsin and Jefferson Streets. The house was badly damaged by fire, but officials tell WISN 12 News it could have been a lot worse if it weren't for the family's smoke detectors.
The family was real lucky. Smoke detectors alerted the family, and they got out all safe. So again, a good lesson for working smoke detectors in your home.
And the cause of the fire is still under investigation. Streets in the area are back open this morning.